Hello, everyone. Just gonna give folks just a few minutes to jump in.
Hi, I was out for a while, so I'm happy to be back.
All right, today might be a short call. I know Marcella's not able to attend. Uh, Before I kick off, anybody have top of mind notes for us?
I don't have anything. I was just popping in to see what's new.
Here's with your grace. Well, welcome. Um, think top of mind right now is there's a TAC presentation next Tuesday. I think it was the 13th. I might be wrong with the date. Um, that's just an update we usually push out to the TAC repo. Uh,
What is tax?
uh, Technical Advisory Council, they oversee, for OpenSSF, they oversee the working groups and the security initiatives, just to make sure everyone's aligned. And we have to usually give them updates on a
Oh,
cadence. Um, and
well,
then,
thank you.
hey, you're welcome. For the group, I think our next office hour, if I'm not mistaken, is on the 22nd. I know for May um, it was Asian Heritage Month, I think, that we were going to honor. So if you know anybody that would be interested in participating in that discussion, it would be very similar to what we did last time, which we'll get some folks from the community come in, and we'll just talk about their experience, share their journey, and give key advice. So if you know anybody that'd be interested in speaking, somebody that's Asian with the Asian heritage or an ally, let us know so we can get them in. And then if you have any ideas or thoughts for upcoming uh, office hours, let us know as well. I know right now for the next this month and the following, we're just doing celebration of our community. And then after that, we can kick it off with another topic.
Um,
All right, I got a thumbs up. And then for the tag presentation, I know Marcella said she will work on that async. Outside of office hours and the tag, I don't have anything else.
Okay,
Uh,
yeah, I just wanted to share something.
yeah, go ahead.
I posted it in the Slack, but this month is Maintainer Month with GitHub. So there's
Nice.
a lot of virtual events, challenges, like a library of resources. There's something called a partner pack for people who are maintainers of open source technology. There's going to be like podcasts and other things too. So it might be something interesting to look at. Um, the organization I work with, or Acme Digital, we're hosting a panel during this time, and we're going to have Jay be one of the speakers. Um,
Nice.
yeah, so I dropped that in the Bear Slack too.
Yeah, and the theme of the month is open source security, I think, too. So great promotion for
Yes,
us for
Oh,
Maintainer Month.
nice.
Yeah.
I did not know that. Open Source
I think
Security
that's
Month, you
cool.
said?
Yeah, I believe
Correct.
so.
Oh, I'm gonna sign up to Jay's event now. Sweet. Thank you for that.
Yeah, I know. For a minute, I don't know if they're still looking for it, but they were doing like podcasts with people who were maintainers in open source security. So I know our co-founder did an interview with some folks from GitHub, and that's going to get posted. So there might be some other opportunities for y'all to plug into that. I'm not too sure, but I'm sure the website has more details.
Perfect. Yeah, I'll check that out. That's a good call out. If you want to post that also in the general channel, if you haven't already in Slack, I think a lot of people would enjoy.
Okay. Yeah, I'll post in general about it.
Thanks for sharing that. Awesome. If nobody has any other topics, I'm sure we would all love time back. And I'll say silence means yes. Um, thank you all, and we'll chat on Slack or see you next time.
See you next time. Thanks, Yesenia.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.